How are you, my friends? How are you coping? Good evening. Today or this week has been my birthday, but due to the prohibitions, there was no party. My plan was to gather my friends and treat them at a restaurant, but all the restaurants are closed either. No choice but to cancel all plans. But I thought of marking this occasion by preparing something simple, something that I can prepare from what I already have in my cupboards in my kitchen. It's a simple charcuterie board. It's a simple charcuterie or charcuterie.
You're watching Channel 1 and this is the World Cuisine series presented in Tagless. Let's join Romilo in his small kitchen.
I think in the Philippines we would call this pika-pika. During my time we would call this pika-pika. Hindi pulutan dahil ang pulutan ay heavy. This is just finger food. So, what do we need for this charcuterie? Of course, everything that I already have in my cupboard. Cheese, marinated olives, blue cheese or cheese na may amag, mixed nuts from the US, Skyflakes. It's easy to prepare. Gawin na natin. And I have here a very beautiful plate, rectangular, for presentation. Let's start with the olives. That was small, of course, it's a preparation only for me. And then the cheese, all cheese from Holland. And the blue cheese. Not many people like blue cheese. Cheese na may amag. Imagine, cheese na may amag. I know someone, or I heard of someone who bought something with amag, tinapon. Yeah, like that. And then, lagyan natin ng Skyflakes. Cracker para as a basis for the blue cheese as an option. Yeah. What else can we decorate this board or this plate with? Nuts. Well, that is it, but we'll add something more. Of course, we need a knife for that. It's March, so we'll give it a St. Patrick's motif, green. Yeah. And of course, cheese goes well with red wine. This is Merlot. And since it's a special day for Romilo, we need flowers or a flower. We'll get it from outside. That's too long. Yeah, may flour tayo. We're having fun with this. We might as well overdo it. Of course, this is occasion. There's wine, there's cheese, and it's after sunset. Let's add candle. Parang true. Let's turn off the lights and celebrate our charcuterie board. I think we have to turn the lights on first, and let's show it to you, the final product. Our charcuterie board to mark my birthday. Yeah, yes, of course, to eat this we need toothpick. Sharing the fun. I may be alone here celebrating, but happy birthday, Romilo, and thank you for joining me today or tonight. The nuts. Maging mukbang na to. See? Pwede kang gumawa ng preparation kahit wala kang fresh na mga produkto. Everything or whatever's in your abasto, in your cupboard. Oh, I love this blue cheese. Oh, I forgot something. Nakalimutan ko yung ham. Kulang pa pala ito. Rewind. Nakalimutan ko itong Iberian ham or Serrano ham. Hamon Serrano from Spain. Kalimutan ko ba naman? Ulit. Yan. Usually, sinuserve lang nila ito sa papel sa Espanya. And then nilalagyan ng olive oil. I won't do that. Ilagay ko lang dito sa plato. And I'll be happy with that. Ayan. Mingaw. The Iberian ham is more delicious with olive oil. Lagyan ko siya. Ito namang olive. Thank you for joining me tonight for marking this day or this week. I hope the world will be better soon as it was, as it used to be. Let's pray for it and still be thankful because Despite the situation, we are not alone. We have the Creator who is with us. And we have one another.
Again, thank you for joining me today. Your Korean uncle here in Holland, Romilo. And I hope to have you again next time in our upcoming uploads. Fridays for Pinoy food and Mondays for international food. Wednesdays, gardening series. And if travel is your interest, also watch My Barrio, My Mundo. Until next time, Dios te bendiga.